New England Patriots owner Robert Kraft, through a motion filed by his attorney, is seeking to suppress evidence in his Florida prostitution case, claiming video evidence collected by authorities investigating an alleged human trafficking and prostitution operation was unlawfully obtained. The motion, filed by Kraft's attorney, Jack Goldberger, on Thursday claims that the video of Kraft allegedly receiving sexual services inside the Orchids of Asia Day Spa in Jupiter, Florida, was unlawfully obtained through a so-called sneak and peek search warrant. Kraft also claims a traffic stop conducted after he left the spa was unlawful, and is asking for that evidence to be thrown out as well. The 77-year-old Brookline, Massachusetts, resident has pleaded not guilty to 2 misdemeanor charges of soliciting another to commit prostitution in connection with a larger human trafficking and prostitution sting across several Florida counties. Kraft was supposed to have an arraignment Thursday, but instead waived his appearance and earlier this week requested a jury trial, reversing a previous request to be tried without a jury. Robert Kraft pleads not guilty to charges in Florida prostitution case, requests jury trial. Kraft has been charged with 2 first-degree misdemeanors for soliciting another to commit prostitution in Jupiter, Florida. Police allege Kraft was caught on video paying for and receiving sex acts at the Orchids of Asia Day Spa on January 19 and 20. He was among 25 men charged in the Palm Beach County sting. The owner and manager of the spa are facing felony charges. Records indicate Kraft visited the spa hours before the Patriots played the Kansas City Chiefs in the AFC Championship game. Kraft's attorney contends the sneak and peek search warrant was used to spy on Mr. Kraft and others, while they were in the private rooms of a licensed spa, receiving treatment from licensed masseuses. The motion reads, Florida resorted to the most drastic, invasive, indiscriminate spying conceivable by law enforcement, taking continuous video recordings of private massages in which customers would be stripping naked as a matter of course, in order to prosecute what are at most, according to Florida's own allegations, misdemeanor offenses, as to which, according to Florida's own affidavits and search warrants, a wide array of alternative benign modes of proof was readily available. The motion continues. Through a team spokesperson, Kraft denied the allegations immediately after charges were announced. Kraft and his attorney claimed that law enforcement did not exhaust less invasive investigatory techniques. Moreover, considering the low-level offenses under investigation, video surveillance was categorically unnecessary and inappropriate for the fundamental reason that the alleged offense is not legally serious enough to justify such a maximally invasive investigatory technique. The motion reads, Kraft and his attorney claimed the traffic stop that occurred after one of Kraft's trips to the spa did not occur as described. The motion claims the traffic stops were unlawful because they were pretextual encounters, unsupported by reasonable suspicion that the drivers had committed any traffic offense. Additionally, Kraft and his attorney asserted that there is no probable cause finding any human trafficking crimes under Florida law beyond outright misrepresentations. Law enforcement in this case has been trading off innuendo about human trafficking. The motion reads, notably, those facts were false, and any suggestion of human trafficking being suspected was unfounded and irresponsible. The motion also says that law enforcement violated the 10-day return period for the search warrant and never delivered copies of the warrant to the spa's owner. In recent weeks, Kraft's representation has been negotiating a possible plea deal with state prosecutors. Kraft reportedly turned down an offer that would have dropped his charges so long as he entered a pre-trial diversion program and conceded he would have been found guilty had the case gone to trial. Kraft's legal team has publicly questioned the legality of the investigation. If convicted, Kraft could face 1 year in jail and a $5,000 fine per charge, plus in order to enroll in an educational course on the dangers of prostitution and human trafficking. Over the weekend, Kraft issued an apology, his first public statement since the charges were filed. I am truly sorry, Robert Kraft says in first statement since his Florida charges. I know I have hurt and disappointed my family, my close friends, my coworkers, our fans and many others.